नमस्ते। आज हम सुनने जा रहे हैं दुष्यंत और शकुंतला की प्रेम कहानी। पिछली बार में हमने देखा कि कैसे घटोत्कच है वो अभिमन्यु और शशिरेखा को मिलाता है। देखते हैं दुष्यंत और शकुंतला को कौन मिलाता है, संजोग या कुछ और चीज है। Once there lived a king named Vishwamitra who gave up everything to become a sage and went into meditation in a forest for several years. Lord Indra, the king of the gods, was afraid that the powerful sage's penance would be a threat to his throne. So he sent his most beautiful celestial dancer, Menka, to distract Vishwamitra. विश्वामित्र की तपश्चर्या में इतना ताकत थी कि उससे देवों के देव इंद्र भी डर गए। Menka came down from heavens and tried to distract the sage. After a lot of effort on her part, Vishwamitra opened his eyes. The moment he laid eyes on Menka, the sage forgot his meditation and fell in love with her. The couple lived happily for a while until they had a baby girl. Vishwamitra could not take his eyes off the cherubic baby, but she reminded him of his purpose, and he realized to his great dismay that he had completely forgotten about his penance. Instead, he had become the father of a child. इंद्र ने जो अपनी जाल बिछाई, मेनका को भेजा और विश्वामित्र को डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया पेनांस से, तो ये जो उसकी पुत्री के रूप में जो लड़की आई है वो उसे याद दिलाती है कि आपको मूल हेतु है आपकी लाइफ का जो वो कुछ और है। विश्वामित्र एंग्री एंड अपसेट, he said to Menka, I understand now what has happened here. You are the one who diverted my attention from my purpose. For this day on, it is your sole responsibility to look after this baby. Don't ever approach me again. If you do, I will curse you in such a manner that you will regret the day you came looking for me. मुझे ढूंढते हुए तुम जिस दिन आई थी वो दिन को तुम बुरा कहोगी, उतना शाप मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ। Without another look at the newborn, Vishwamitra stomped out of their home, never to return. कभी वापस न आने के लिए विश्वामित्र निकल गए। Menka was distraught. What am I to do? She thought. I can't take my baby back to Lord Indra's court in the heavens. Humans are not allowed there. Weeping, she prayed fervently to the gods above and the creatures in the forest. Finally, she placed the baby on a plantain of leaf under a shady tree and said to her, My dear child, please forgive me. I am helpless. I was commanded to distract Vishwamitra, and now that he is no longer with me, I must go back. I leave you here with a prayer, and I request these animals and birds to look after you. I promise you that whenever you are in trouble, I will come down from the heavens to help you. मेनका सोचती है कि अब मैं कैसे करूं, क्या करूं। विश्वामित्र तो निकल चुके थे, तो इस बेबी को मैं अपने साथ ऊपर स्वर्गलोक में भी नहीं ले जा सकती, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जिंदा इंसान नहीं आ सकते हैं, मरने के बाद ही आ सकते हैं। तो वो फॉरेस्ट जंगल में एक बड़े से झाड़ के नीचे अपनी बेटी को रखती है और जंगल के क्रिएचर्स को प्रे करती है कि इसका ख्याल रखना, क्योंकि आखिर तो वो एक बाका हृदय था ना। तुम्हें जब भी ज़रूरत होगी, तुम जब भी किसी मुसीबत में होगी तो मुझे बुलाना, मैं नीचे आऊँगी इस वर्ग से तुम्हारे लिए। With tears and desperation in her eyes, men went back to Indra's court. For a few hours, the baby girl lay there with only some birds for company, who kept her entertained. The sound of her laughter reached the ears of the sage Kanva, who was on his way to a river nearby. He followed the sound to its source, a baby girl surrounded by birds who were making her laugh. Sage Kanva looked around for her parents, but there was absolutely no sign of human life. कोई भी ह्यूमन लाइफ के आजू बाजू में कोई भी इंगलिंग नहीं थी. He finally sat down and meditated until he realized through these yogic powers that the baby had been abandoned. बेटी को किसी ने जानबूझ के छोड़ दिया था. He picked up the baby in his arms. "Oh, my dear child," he said, "I am a hermit, but I will bring you up like my very own. Since you are surrounded by these delightful sakuns who have kept you cheerful, I will call you Sakuntala." तुम पत्तों के आजू बाजू घिरी हुई हो और जिसने तुम्हें खुश रखा है, वैसे पत्तों के नाम पर से मैं तुम्हारा नाम पर रखूंगा सकुन. सकुन यानी के झाड़ के पत्ते. Sakuntala. Sakuntala grew up to be a beautiful human in Sage Kanva's ashram. She formed a close friendship with two girls named Anusuya and Priyamvada. Gautami, another hermit in the ashram, played a huge role in raising Sakuntala. Young Sakuntala was very fond of the animals and the birds and the trees in the ashram, the content with her life there. आगे की कहानी हम दूसरे भाग में देखेंगे. तो अब मैं बात करती हूँ जो मैं सोच रही थी कि शकुंतला और दुष्यंत का एक बेटा होता है जिसका नाम भरत रखते हैं. तो ये वही भरत है जिसके नाम पर से भारत का नाम भारत पड़ा है, या फिर भगवान ऋषभ देव के पुत्र, बड़े पुत्र भरत के नाम से भारत का नाम भारत पड़ा है. दोनों का ये दावा है कि ये हमारी नाम पर से है. तो देखते, अगर आपको भी कहीं से कोई क्लू मिलता है तो मुझे बताइए. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून.